Am I doing too much? Bronzy, dewy look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do like a summer glowy, dewy skin, bronzy look. I wanted to create one that is kind of like my go-to and kind of what I've been wanting to do, and I actually did it earlier today, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just take it all off and refilm it for you guys. So I hope that you learned something from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget I do have a video that I just did on some fun buns that I thought were really cute, and those are good for summer too, so I will link that video probably right here. Then I also show you what it looks like with the nude lips, so I kind of give you two options. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I recreated this look, then please keep watching. Alright, so we're gonna get started. I've already done my skincare. I've already moisturized and done like my under eyes and everything, and put oil on, which if you've seen my videos is kind of the same routine. I'm in Texas, so it is hella hot out here. I tried a makeup look today and I was like, you know what, let me recreate that for you guys because I really liked it. So I picked up some stuff, a setting spray and eyebrow pencil today at the mall, but nothing major. So let's go ahead and jump into the video, and I will show you how I get my summer, what is it, like a summer glow, summer look, I guess. Alright, so let's go ahead and start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Trestique. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I got it in my Ipsy Glam bag and I actually really like it. It's for your pores. Okay, so I'm getting these fine lines up here on my forehead, right? You see them? I swear I have like RDF, but I can't control when somebody's I'm one of those people who, like, when somebody's telling me something, you can tell what I'm thinking on my face, and I have to learn how to control it, because like when someone's telling me some bullshit, I'll be like, I want to make this a very quick summer look, but at the same time you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I don't have any lashes. I actually forgot to buy some lashes, but I found some individuals that I'm going to put on. Individuals are like not my thing. Like, I feel like they don't agree with me, but so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my, you know, Shape Tape. This is in light blue. I'm gonna go in with Unity, and this is the Prism palette by Anastasia. Go in with my Nicole Guerrero palette, and I'm gonna take 143 and I'm just gonna put that right here in my, I'm actually gonna take a flat brush. Just take a flat brush and I'm gonna go in and just lay it on your brow bone. Just lay it on your brow bone. And I'm gonna put it right here in my tear duct as well. Going to use a MAC Saddle, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Truffle, and these are her individual shadows. And Laura Mercier is probably one of my favorite brands that I've ever, when I worked at Sephora, whenever I worked with their brand, they were just, I just loved it. Like, I loved their stuff, I loved their people, I loved their energy, I love their fresh, like fresh face look, you know what I mean? They have like this great energy that it's just like, I know I'm saying like a lot, I say like a lot, but it's it's like cool, I guess. I like their stuff. I love how they're just so aesthetically clean. I love it's just like not crazy. They have like this color palette that's just for an everyday woman, and yet you can still do really fresh, smoky, aesthetically pleasing makeup looks, you know what I mean? Oh, and I don't know if you can see my background. It's kind of, I went back to what I was using, so I had to move some stuff around. I finally got my camera set up right. You know, it's been such a while that since I've sat down. It's been a couple months that I sat down and was able to like film a video, especially like a makeup video. So I was like, damn, how did I have it? So I'm just going back and forth with the truffle and the saddle. I say like a quick makeup look, and here I am. But I mean, if you enjoy makeup, you want everything like blended. I don't know how else to say it. Like when I tell my husband, okay, I'm gonna go get ready, he knows not to get ready for like an hour and a half. So he has like, we have that understanding, like, okay, babe's doing her thing, she's like gonna be gone for a while. A blush powder, but I like to use it on my eyes, and I'm gonna take the same Inglot 10S taper brush. It's like a real smaller taper brush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit and just to kind of, and I'm gonna just put it on my lash line and just flick it out. Take my middle finger, and we're going in with Sphinx, and just going into, we are just gonna be golden, baby. I'm scared to put another color on top. What if we put a highlighter color? Ooh. Damn, Glow Getter. Shit. You don't try to take over the show. That's cute. This one right here. This is from her first collection, the bronze palette. Started on the face. I like to do I'm gonna do the face and then the brows, just cause I'm not gonna do like a crazy like Instagram brow. It's gonna be like more, I'm gonna try to keep it as like a natural fluffy brow, you know, but I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take my MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm going to lay this on the face. This is probably my favorite. I'm going to try to color correct all this redness right here and dark this underneath my eyes. And then I have this one where I had a pimple and I didn't even really mess with it. I did pop it because it had a hit. I had to pop it. I just can't stand walking around and like, oh honey, you need to pop that pimple. Like, I know. Okay, now that that's down, I'm gonna take my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation.
This is probably one of my favorite, like absolute favorite. I'm going for healthy looking skin. Fuck! That's all I want. Healthy looking skin and a large order of fries and never get fucking fat.
Oh, so I'm just taking this little highlighter and I'm just really,
I like this cream highlighter. It just like makes the skin like look extra healthy. Like look at that. It's beautiful.
So for my concealer, I am going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and this is in Warm Natural. I'm going to use my Airspun in extra translucent, extra coverage. And with my ColourPop in Amaze. And it's this really nice, cream, like a cream shadow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier, I'm gonna take my Nicole Guerrero palette, and I'm going to take a flat, this is like a flat foundation brush, and I'm gonna go in with, oh shoot, 143, and I'm just going to press it in onto my cheeks. All right, so now I'm gonna smoke out the bottom lash, and I'm going to take a smaller taper brush or fluffy brush, not even tapered, and I'm just gonna go right underneath. This thing has been my homegirl, and I love her, and I'm faithful to her. Not bad. I haven't done them in a long time, and that wasn't bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So, alright, now that we're done with that, now I can show you the lip. Let me show you the nude lip first, and then I will show you the red lip. And we'll decide which one we want to do.
but I think I want to do the red lip just because
we're exotic. So for the nude lip, I'm going to take this Jordana that you can find at Walgreens. Jordana is very underrated. I really like her stuff. I really like her lip pencils a lot. Have I tried anything else? No, but their lip pencils, bomb. Okay, this is called Coco Loco. I'm gonna take my MAC lipstick and Myth. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the nude lip, which is very cute. Like, I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Like, it's like J-Lo vibes in a way. But this is the nude lip, so you could definitely pair it with the nude lip. Let's go ahead and try the red. So now let's do the red lip. I'm gonna take this mini Sephora in Real Red. Okay, so this is with the red lip. I really like it with the red lip. I feel like it's very summer. It's very catching. I just like it. I like it with the dewy look and everything. My skin looks so healthy. It looks really, really nice. And you know, it just makes me feel a certain type of way. So that's just my opinion. Sometimes a lot of people are not with the bright lip, which is okay. A nude, I'm off for the nude. Like, I love a nude. So whatever floats your boat, whatever you like, because it's do you. Okay, honey, do you. I hope you found this video informative, and if you try it out, don't forget to tag me in it on Instagram. I will link my social media down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.